guys, welcome back to the vlog, and my name is Ayan and you're watching Ayan vlog. So hope you all are doing great in the lockdown. So guys, today I'll show you one thing and I'll tell you one thing. So the thing I'm going to show, that is a JBL Flip 5 speaker, and the thing I'm going to tell you is why Hayabusa is my favorite. So this is a raw vlog, and I'm making this vlog after 3 weeks since my last video. So let's get started with today's video. Guys, first let me show you the speaker, then I'll come to the main point, that why Hayabusa is my favorite. So let's enjoy some cinematics and then I'll show you some basic controls. So guys, this is the speaker. The JBL logo is right here and JBL is written over here, and there are rubber in each side. Here you can see it. Here also there is a bass tube here and here also in each sides. So if we come here is the party boost. In this mode the bass is really high. This is the volume low button. This is the volume high button. This is to play or to stop the music. Now here this is the charging port. This is the battery indicator. This is to turn on the Bluetooth and to turn off the Bluetooth, and this is to power on or to power off the speaker right here. Flip 5 is written here, and there is a lightning strip over here. So if we press the bass tube button, see, this is a light strip, and there was a band here which I removed it. So guys, this is the speaker, and I hope you like the cinematics too. And guys, this is a very portable speaker. Wherever you are going you can carry it, and it's the size of my hand. You can see it, so you can take it wherever you are going and you can listen to the songs and you can enjoy. So now let's come to the main point. Our main point, why Hayabusa is my favorite. So guys, Hayabusa is my favorite because the mileage is really nice, and plus the design, the bulky design, and the broad look near the instrument cluster, near the tank, and the cowl is my favorite, and the front is really nice. It is aerodynamic, plus the rear tail is very nice and it's very sharp. If you remove the tail tidy of the Hayabusa, then it'll really look nice, and plus if you are riding it, so it feels like you are the king of the road. And there are many haters and many lovers of Hayabusa. I am the lover of Hayabusa. So guys, it has 1340cc engine with 197 bhp, but now in 2020 the bike is discontinued. The new version of Hayabusa will be coming soon, and I really like that bike, and many people call it the Legend, so I also call it Legend. And the bike can go up to 312 km per hour or 330 km per hour easily, and it's a really nice bike. It's a hyper bike, and that's why I like it. And the main reasons are like the mileage, the power, the cc, bhp, and the instrument cluster, the broad look, the bulky look, and it feels like you're the king of the road. And the throttle response is really very nice, and it is easy to maintain, and the colors are also very awesome. Like gray is there, and blue is there, the black is there, white is there, red is there. So there are many color options in Hayabusa, so that's why Hayabusa is my favorite. But I have many favorite bikes. Kawasaki ZX10 or Kawasaki Z900 are my favorite in Kawasaki. If we come to BMW, then S1000RR and GS1200 is my favorite. Then if we come to Ducati, then there are many favorite bikes. Like first is V4, second V4S, then V4R, then comes the Diavel, the X Diavel, then the Scrambler Icon, then comes the Ducati Panigale 1199, and Hayabusa is my favorite, and H2 is my favorite, H2R is my favorite, and in Triumph Street Triple RS is my favorite. So these were my favorite bikes, and I told you the reason why Hayabusa is my favorite. So guys, in this vlog we'll keep it till here. Meet you in the next vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and you got to know some more things about me, and meet you in the another vlog. So bye guys.